Why is staying active and fit so crucial as we age? That's a question that we often ponder as we embrace the golden years of our existence. As the years roll by, our bodies experience a natural metamorphosis. Our metabolism decelerates, our skeleton becomes more delicate, and our muscle mass wanes. However, this doesn't entail that we should surrender ourselves to a sedentary way of living. Quite the opposite, in fact. Upholding an active lifestyle becomes paramount as we age. An essential part of healthy aging is regular exercise. It aids in preserving mobility and flexibility, lessening the likelihood of falls and injuries. It is not solely about physical prowess. Regular exercise can also enhance cardiovascular health, providing a safeguard against heart disease and other potential health complications. But the advantages of consistent exercise go beyond the physical realm. It also has a profound impact on mental health. Exercise can elevate mood, alleviate feelings of sadness and anxiety, and even sharpen cognitive function. It's an excellent method to keep the mind agile and spirits buoyant. Moreover, it's about preserving our autonomy as we grow older. Being physically active implies we're more equipped to carry on with the activities we cherish and the tasks we need to accomplish, from tending to our garden and frolicking with our grandchildren to simply being able to stand from a chair unaided. However, the social facet of exercise should not be overlooked. Activities such as walking with a companion, participating in a fitness class, or even dancing allow us to interact with others. This sense of camaraderie, this sense of belonging, can work wonders for our emotional well-being. Exercise has the potential to redefine our perception of aging. It's not just about maintaining physical fitness. It's about ensuring mental agility and emotional stability. It's about enjoying the best quality of life for as long as possible. It's about engaging in activities that bring us joy and ensuring that we can keep doing these activities for years to come. It's about maintaining a sense of community and belonging. It's about nurturing our minds and bodies and ensuring that we have the strength, flexibility, and resilience to keep doing the things we love. The commitment to staying active and fit can be liberating. It can give us the confidence to embrace the aging process rather than fear it. It can create a sense of empowerment, a belief in our ability to define our own path. So let's not allow age to confine us. Let's redefine what aging signifies to us. Because after all, we're not just growing older, we're maturing in wisdom, strength, and resilience. As we age, staying active isn't just about maintaining our physical health, but also our mental and emotional well-being. What exercises can seniors do to stay fit and healthy? This is a question that many of us may ask as we age or care for aging loved ones. As we get older, our bodies undergo physical changes that make us more susceptible to health issues. The good news is that physical activity can significantly reduce these risks. However, the type of exercise matters. It starts with low-impact exercises that are enjoyable, beneficial, and tailored to the older demographic. Firstly, let's delve into walking, an activity that is as simple as it is effective. This is one of the most recommended exercises for seniors. It's a great way to strengthen the heart, enhance circulation, and regulate blood pressure. Moreover, walking boosts mood, alleviates anxiety, and contributes to overall well-being. The greatest thing about walking is its versatility. A brisk walk in the park to enjoy the fresh morning air or a gentle, leisurely stroll around the neighborhood in the evenings, the choice is yours. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking every day, a small time commitment for a major health benefit. Next, shifting our focus to swimming, a full-body workout that's gentle on the joints. This non-weight-bearing exercise is perfect for seniors as it reduces the risk of injury. It increases muscle strength, enhances cardiovascular fitness, and improves flexibility. It's also a fun activity and a refreshing way to cool off during hot weather. Try to swim for at least 20 minutes, 3 times a week. For those who find swimming laps daunting, water aerobics is a fantastic alternative. It provides similar benefits and adds a social element to the exercise routine. Lastly, let's explore yoga, a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga can help improve balance, flexibility, strength, and mental well-being. It's a serene activity that promotes mindfulness and reduces stress. Yoga classes designed specifically for seniors are widely available, but you can also practice gentle yoga poses at home. Aiming for 2 or 3 yoga sessions a week can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. It's crucial to remember that every individual's body is unique, so it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your exercise routine accordingly. Start slow, respect your limits, and gradually increase your activity level as your fitness improves. Remember, you're not competing with anyone. Consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen to ensure safety. To wrap it up, remember, the goal is to stay active and maintain mobility, not to become a professional athlete. So find an exercise routine that resonates with you, stick with it, and you'll reap the benefits in no time. Health and fitness in our golden years are not about setting records, but about enhancing the quality of our lives. Are you finding this information useful? We hope so, as our goal is to guide you to understand the significance of health and fitness in our golden years. If these insights are aiding we would highly appreciate it if you could indicate your support by pressing that like button. This show of approval assists us in reaching more individuals who could benefit from our content. In addition, we strongly recommend subscribing if haven't done so already. In subscribing, you'll always be in the loop whenever we release new educational videos, ensuring you stay updated with every important bit of information we share. Furthermore, we enjoy interacting with our esteemed viewers. If there are any particular experiences, inquiries, or thoughts you have regarding health and fitness for seniors, feel free to voice them in the comments section underneath. Your input could very well serve as a launching pad for someone else's pursuit of improved health. It's through your engagement and support that we can persist in delivering significant content. So, let's keep exchanging ideas and continue our shared journey of learning. Your support and engagement help us to continue providing valuable content. Let's continue with more exercises that are excellent for seniors. One of the paramount aspects of a comprehensive exercise regimen for older adults is strength training. It's an essential part of a balanced fitness routine. With the progression of age, our muscles naturally start losing their mass and strength. This can eventually lead to frailty and a higher risk of falls, which is particularly concerning for seniors. However, don't fret. This natural process can be effectively counteracted with regular strength training exercises. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what strength training is. It's a physical exercise that employs resistance to induce muscular contraction. This resistance can come from your body weight, a dumbbell or other weight. This contraction then leads to the strengthening and enlargement of your skeletal muscles, improving your overall physical strength and endurance. The benefits of strength training are numerous, and it's a critical component in maintaining overall health and wellness. Now, let's dispel a common myth. No, you don't have to be a professional bodybuilder or an avid fitness enthusiast to partake in strength training. This type of exercise is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level, including seniors. In fact, strength training can be especially beneficial for older adults, promoting mobility, balance, and independence. Now that we understand the importance and benefits of strength training, let's delve into some specific exercises that can be carried out at home with ease. Starting off with a simple yet effective one, the chair squat. This exercise primarily targets and strengthens your leg muscles, especially your quadriceps. For this, you don't require any fancy equipment. A simple chair will suffice. Stand in front of the chair in an upright position. Lower your body gradually as if you're about to sit down, then push up back to the standing position. Remember, the key here is to maintain a straight back and ensure your knees stay aligned over your feet during the movement. Moving on to another useful exercise, the wall push-up. This exercise primarily targets your upper body, focusing specifically on your arms and chest muscles. Stand an arm's length away from a wall, place your palms on the wall, then bend your elbows to bring your body closer to the wall. Push back to the starting position. Sounds easy, right? Next up, let's talk about bicep curls. This exercise can be performed with a pair of light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even a couple of water bottles if you don't have weights at home. Hold your chosen weights at sides, then bend your elbows to bring the weights closer toward your shoulders. Lower them back down and repeat the movement. Each of these exercises can be tailored to different fitness levels and to your comfort level. For instance, if you find the chair squat a bit too easy, you can add weights to increase resistance or increase the number of repetitions to enhance endurance. It's important to start slow, focusing on correct form, and then gradually increase the intensity as your strength and stamina improve. These exercises can be done at home with minimal equipment, making it easier for seniors to incorporate them into their daily routine. Why are balance and coordination so important for seniors? It's a query that might have crossed your mind at some point, and it's a topic that necessitates a deeper understanding, especially in the context of senior health and fitness. Balance and coordination are not merely necessary for athletic prowess, They are the fundamental pillars that enable us to navigate our lives with independence and confidence. They allow us to walk to our local grocery store, dance at our grandchild's wedding, or simply move across the room. However, as we grow older, these capabilities can naturally start to wane, potentially putting seniors at an enhanced risk of falls and injuries. Falls, in fact, are one of the most prevalent causes of injury among the elderly. But the silver lining here is that balance and coordination, much like any other skill set, can be developed and improved at any age. It's never too late to start, and with consistent practice combined with the right exercises, seniors can significantly improve these aspects of their physical abilities. Improving balance and coordination not only helps in mitigating the falls, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining independence, thereby enhancing the overall quality of life. Perhaps you are curious to know about some exercises that can help boost balance and coordination. Well, there are several worth mentioning, but let's focus on a few that have been proven to be exceptionally effective. First and foremost, Tai Chi. An ancient exercise form originating from China, Tai Chi is a low-impact exercise that emphasizes slow, deliberate movements and deep, rhythmic breathing. It's renowned for its ability to enhance balance, flexibility, and muscle strength. Another great option is balance-focused yoga poses. Yoga, with its emphasis on mindful movement, is an exceptional way to improve balance, coordination, and flexibility, all while promoting relaxation and stress relief. However, it's important to remember that change occurs gradually. Start slow and progressively increase the intensity of your workouts. And of course, consultation with a healthcare professional is essential before embarking on any new exercise regimen. So let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of balance and coordination. They are not just about preventing falls. They are about maintaining independence, improving quality of life, and aging with grace and strength. Improving balance and coordination can significantly reduce the risk of falls, one of the most common causes of injury in seniors. So let's adopt these exercises and take a step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Seeking more resources on senior health and fitness? You're in luck. Just below this video, you'll find a description box filled with resources. We've sorted and selected information to aid you on your health journey. There are recommended health products that we support and appreciate, plus supplementary materials that delve into senior fitness. We've got you covered. We've created a list of beneficial tools, products, and guides that support physical health and foster wellness. You can find exercises to enhance balance and coordination, or tips for mobility. The description box is a treasure trove of knowledge. It's not just about physical strength, it's about improving life quality as we age. These resources are designed to keep you or your loved ones active, fit, and healthy as you age. Staying active and fit is a key part of aging well. The journey we've treaded on the significance of physical fitness and wellness in the golden years has enabled us to delve deeper into understanding exercises that seniors can imbibe into their everyday routines. We've taken a thorough look at the paramount role that sustained physical activity can play in maintaining mobility, enhancing strength, and fortifying overall wellness as we advance in years. The exercises we've extensively covered are meticulously designed to be accessible, adaptable, and above all, highly beneficial for seniors. From gentle and calming stretching maneuvers to strength-augmenting activities, the proposed exercises aim to elevate physical fitness, encourage mobility, and cultivate independence among seniors. But let's not overlook the essential fact that the benefits of physical exercises extend far beyond the physical realm. Rigorous exercise can contribute immensely to mental well-being, aiding in keeping the mind razor-sharp and the spirits soaring high. We've also stressed emphatically on the importance of balance and coordination. These are not merely fancy terminologies. They are vital components of fitness that aid in preventing untoward falls, enhancing posture, and enabling everyday tasks to be carried out safely, efficiently. Including balance and coordination exercises into your routine can radically transform your quality of life for the better. However, let's take a moment to remember that each individual's journey is unique. What may for one person may not necessarily be effective for another. While striven to provide a comprehensive guide, it's crucial that you listen to your body's signals and modify these exercises to match your individual capabilities and requirements. We wholeheartedly encourage you to begin incorporating these exercises into your daily routine or recommend them to a loved one. Remember, it's never too late to embark on this journey. Every small step you take contributes to your overall health. Consistency is of utmost importance. A minute amount of exercise each day can significantly contribute to promoting good health and longevity. We'd be delighted to hear about your experiences. Have you attempted any of these exercises? Do you have any valuable tips or experiences to share with our community? Your feedback not only aids us in improving, but also greatly enhances our community's experience. Don't hesitate to interact with Remember. Your engagement is greatly appreciated and helps us to deliver valuable content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay active and stay healthy.